you have your hand on the pole, it helps if it is the hand that is the inside hand, the hand that's closest to the pole. If you have this hand on the pole, which is your outside hand, you're going to have to do some maneuvering to get into a position to where you can pirouette. So it helps if you've got your inside hand up high and as high as you can get it because you are going underneath of your arm. The way that you can remember to go underneath of your arm, and this is the unsexy cue right here, is you check your deodorant and follow it through. Okay? I see a lot of people when they first learn this, they want to go and